Alright guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and please leave comments. I do read all of my comments. And also I am offering memberships if you're interested in joining my channel. So please enjoy this video. Thank you.
going ahead.
I hope you guys are really liking this video. I made another coaster in brown because I really like the color. And so I'm going to do the exact same thing to the brown one that I did with the red one. Only I'm going to add some glitter embellishments to this. I didn't add it to the red one. I added to the red rim, but this one I just decided to put them in molds and just wanted to create a different pattern. So I really hope that you're liking this video, and I hope that you have already thumbs it up. If not, make sure you go and thumbs it up, and please leave comments, and please hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading more videos. So please continue to enjoy this video. Also, guys, I wanted to mention that I am offering memberships on my channel. I offer really great gifts, great prizes, and so I would love to have you as a member. I'll give you a shout out on your YouTube channel if you have a YouTube channel, and I'll post your links on my videos. And sometimes I give away gifts to my members, so I really hope you decide to become a member and continue to enjoy this video. Continue to support me.
Yeah,
Thank you.
5 minutes late.